I used to wake up tired, bloated, and sluggish, and I had no idea my morning routine was the problem. But then I made a few all-natural changes, and it completely transformed my energy, digestion, and mood. If you're tired of feeling tired, this might be exactly what your body's been asking for. Welcome back to Home and Haven Living, where we're all about using simple, natural remedies to support a healthier lifestyle. Hit that like button and subscribe for more natural health tips every week. Today, I'm walking you through the exact natural morning routine that changed my health, including what I drink, what I avoid, and the powerful ingredients I use daily. Step 1. Warm lemon water with ACV. Hydrate plus alkalize plus detox. First thing I drink. Warm water with lemon and a splash of apple cider vinegar. It gently wakes up the liver, supports digestion, and boosts metabolism. Pro tip. Use organic raw ACV with the mother. Your liver will thank you, and your gut will too. Benefits: flushes toxins, balances pH, aids nutrient absorption. Step 2. Oil pulling with coconut oil. Detox your mouth, support your gut. Before eating anything, I oil pull with coconut oil for 10 minutes. It removes harmful bacteria and supports oral microbiome, which is linked to digestion and immunity. Bonus: it whitens your teeth naturally. Healthy gut starts in the mouth. Benefits: fights inflammation, freshens breath, supports detox pathways. 5 minutes of movement or breath work, circulation equals healing. Whether it's stretching, deep breathing, or rebounding, 5 minutes of light movement gets your lymphatic system flowing, which is key for natural detox and energy. Try 5-minute yoga flow, dry brushing before showering, rebounding, mini trampoline. This helps your body eliminate toxins naturally. Step 4. Herbal tonic or tea. Nourish with nature. Instead of coffee first thing, I drink an herbal tonic made with ginger, turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper. It's anti-inflammatory, soothing, and energizing, without the crash. Recipe: 1 cup hot water, 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 pinch of black pepper, squeeze of lemon, or dash of honey. Nature's answer to inflammation and brain fog. Step 5. Nutrient-dense breakfast. Food as medicine. I listen to my body. Sometimes I fast, other times I eat. When I do, it's always nutrient-dense. Chia pudding, overnight oats, or pasture-raised eggs with greens. Always real food. No refined sugar, no seed oils. You'd be shocked how much better you feel when your body isn't fighting your breakfast. What I stopped doing. Here's what I used to do. Scroll my phone first thing, down coffee before water, eat refined carbs, and rush out the door stressed. That was sabotaging my hormones, blood sugar, and mental clarity. The natural switch made all the difference. So that's my morning. No fancy gadgets, no toxic products, just natural steps that anyone can try. Which step will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more natural health routines, subscribe to Home and Haven Living for weekly videos.